Ganun naman, if you're really providing value, at the end of the day, there will be like people na willing to subscribe, willing to hit that like button and share button.
Speaking of content naman, since na-discuss natin kanina yung AI, ano ba yung take mo sa mga gumagawa ng content? Halimbawa, may nakita kasi akong way na paggawa is through AI and then gagawa ng story, then ipapasa sa bagong AI, ay maglalagay lang ng background something like sa Roblox na nagagalaw-galaw lang. And then yung AI din yung nagbabasa doon. Tingin mo profitable yung mga ganun na channel?
To be honest, sinisimula ko na siya. Sinisimula ko na siya. So, ang tawag sa kanya is faceless automation. So,
yun eh.
May ganun. Before, siguro sa YouTube, siguro if you're an influencer, you have like your face that you're showing. But there are also like very profitable YouTube channels that are called faceless, meaning content lang talaga sila. Hindi mo makilala kung sinong owner. Walang influencer, di ba? Yun ang meaning nun.
Through AI ba? Or
through AI.
Or voice over?